I want to get into some of your recording career here, especially your earlier songs that you recorded. What was your first hit that you recorded?
One Scotch with Admiral
Okay.
Bailey. Chaka Demus
Yes.
Admiral Bailey.
How did that song come around?
All right, one Sunday, me down the yard and decided to walk along at Jammys.
Mm-hmm.
And we walk along them, I see Admiral Bailey and Steely and Cleve, them and Bill with him.
Mm-hmm.
So we move out, I said to myself, say, so we now build a tune, we now build a hit song. And I start sing. One Scotch, pound, and right away, it's like Steely, I said, yeah, wicked, and start, do. And, you know, and same time I said to Admiral, I said, yo, come in, make you do that tune because that tune are wicked, you know, and you know, me start singing it and really, and then build them finish reading now. Me and Admiral go in the studio, back and just make it see. We didn't write the lyrics. We just sing and it just work.
Okay. It wasn't, you guys didn't write, it was almost right off the top of your head, freestyle type of thing.
Head top.
Yeah. That's big there. All right. So after One Scotch, what was another hit that you had recorded then?
All right. After One Scotch, I have a tune named Young Girl Business.
Yes.
The Young Girl Business. Well, oh, Young Girl Business combined up the sun up on the corner and a place in Southborough. You know, I look at one little bar there on the corner, and I see a Benz a pass with a young girl and a old boy and I.
Mm-hmm.
And I said to myself, say, you know, say that young girl they control that old guy there. And you know, I read them a playing at it. You know, them time them have a little jukebox thing. And Admiral Bailey do a song named Big Belly Man.
Mm-hmm.
But the rhythm did a play.
Mm-hmm.
And I start DJ say, when, as the vehicle pass with the old guy and the girl, we start DJ say, young girl be girl a rule manager be a man Mazda, girl a rule manager Benz and Jaguar, girl a rule manager Toyota Corolla. If you a free zone, you a free zone. I start saying, that you don't bother. Yeah. Right over to start DJ the lyrics, you know. Mm-hmm. And all of a sudden now, you see them and say, never write the lyrics. I'm a call Skeng Dan.
Mm-hmm.
And I say, Skeng, you know, some never tune for you. Mm-hmm. And he said, you sure? I said, you want to hear it? And we start DJ on the phone. And Skeng said, all right, you will do. I'm going to send a ticket for you right now. Pick it up tomorrow and fly to Miami.
That was recorded in Miami?
Yes, man. And we fly to Miami and it's like Skeng, them reach the day in the studio, know them. I play some with him, give me, and I tell him, say, no, I'm going to like them with him there. And we said, go and play some more with him. And when them reach that rhythm there, we said, this rhythm I want. And then we start DJ upon the rhythm. And the brother, I never forgot this, the engineer name, his name Chuni.
Okay.
Him advise me everything, and we just record the song and really, and him mix it same time. And give me the car come to Jamaica come release. And we just fly it, come down to Jamaica, car go man, they will give the man and tell the man, says, Ken said to release this. Mm-hmm. And the tune just run away.
Crazy. I remember that song there especially. Two more of your classics that I want to go through also. Next one is, which one? I'm not sure which one came first. Was it Workie Workie that came first or Original Kuff that came first?
Kuff come first, man. That's a Jammys them that tune, that Jammys them tune that original Kuff, you know. Mm-hmm.
Well, how did that come up?
Let me tell you what that tune come now. Me then I studio advice. Baba just love record. I don't want to go into that still, but Baba just love record that tune for him. So I record the tune for Bobby and all of a sudden a Bobby tune. You understand me? Some of them want to go too deep now. All of a sudden a Bobby tune.
Yeah.
It end up with somebody the king tune.
Got you. So originally it was recorded as Bobby Digital, but somewhere down the pipeline.
Me record in a Jammys studio. Mm-hmm. But Bobby asked me to record the song for you. Mm-hmm. But all of a sudden, a theme song again. Mm-hmm. So I have nothing else to say.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Fair enough. I got you. The next one here, another monster hit, Workie Workie. I know this was recorded for Penthouse now.
Yes.
All right. Tell us about that one, how you came up with that one.
I drive over the studio and they're on a place named the Highway. Mm-hmm. When they used to call the Highway there again, the highway, what they call Mandela Highway, you know.
What, 2000?
No, what they call Mandela Highway, you know. That highway they were there on a drive, me and my brother.
Okay.
And we start DJ, we start jump around, cause you know, say you're ready. Worky, and my brother say, wicked tune, and we go to Bam and Drive up Penthouse and tell German, say me have the tune, and German play the rhythm, and we go to Bam and DJ upon it. And as engineer by the name of Steve Stanley. When I DJ that song, the front was the front was at the back. You understand me? And it switched around.
Yeah.
You know, that engineer Steve Stanley is a very, very good engineer. I couldn't believe when I hear the song after. And switch from the front to the back and set it up properly, and you know, did well for me, you know.
That's crazy. One thing I realized with somebody like you, artist, you recorded for a lot of majors. Even though you were a Jammys artist, you recorded for like Skengda, Penthouse, a lot of other labels too. Was there any reason why you could record for anybody else?
Where I could record for anybody?
Yeah, because were you signed to Jammys or you were just DJing on
No,
Jammys?
no, we're not signed. We never signed to nobody at all. You know, it was freelancing. And time the other young youth, you know, understand certain things about the business. Just have go on and try to make certain things happen for you. You know, really, the amongst nobody where really decide to go and go take up your career and take it to another level. You have to just go their own and do work to try to make a name.
Yeah.
If we have somebody like somebody will take up our career and say, boy, right now, I'm going to spend some money on you, and you know, probably would that be one of the biggest things in the world. Although we still know say, boy, I'm selling millions of records, but I think we could have go further still.
Okay.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.